Do you see this trend of dollar strength continuing? And if so, how long do you see it continuing for?
Well, it all depends on the ongoing correlation dynamics. We have seen the dollar rebounding since the trade flip-flop by Donald Trump in mid-April, where markets started to refocus on the correlation between interest rate differential, higher interest rates in the US, and the currency. Interest rates have been moving higher in the US because of what the Fed is doing, increasing interest rates and unwinding of the balance sheet. But as well, rates have been pushing higher on this inflation recalibration. If you look at inflation expectations moving totally in tandem with oil prices, so I guess a lot will come later today with the development on this Iran deal. So it all depends on the ongoing rates and currency correlation.
Okay, on the Iran deal, I told folks a couple of seconds ago that, you know, if, as Trump has threatened so many times before, he actually pulls out of the deal, initially dollar negative. Is that really the case? Because we've been following price action in oil, if we can bring that up, guys. Give viewers a look at that again and give Nick a look at that again. Oil has been coming off pretty sharply, suggesting that things could actually hold together. They could do some business with Iran, do a deal. And the U.S. may not pull out.
That's a possibility, given the Trump propensity to flip-flop. That said,
if true, will that be dollar positive?
That could be. The thing is, this deal was supposed to be, the announcement was supposed to be later this week on Saturday, right?
12th, yeah.
So markets were actually starting to pricing the reimposition of these sanctions. So that's why you've seen oil prices going higher. And given the ongoing correlation with higher rates and commodity prices, the dollar was supported. This, when it came overnight, is more like the sell the news kind of
So what result would be dollar positive?
Well, what could be dollar positive? Basically, the dollar could benefit of higher oil prices if, again, this correlation remains in place. So lower Iranian output could bring oil prices higher. The dollar could also benefit somewhat on risk aversion factor. Okay, if the risk, because one of the things of pulling out of the Iran deal, it's likely to heighten the tensions in the Middle East. So that could be dollar supportive.